Welcome to an exciting exploration of the world of business analysis. Today, we'll unravel the mysteries behind the role of a business analyst and discover their vital contributions to organizations. Get ready for an informative and engaging journey. So, who is a business analyst? In a nutshell, they are the master problem solvers, bridging the gap between stakeholders and technical teams. They identify business needs, analyze requirements, and develop solutions that drive success. Let's dive into the key responsibilities of a business analyst. 1. Requirement elicitation and analysis. They gather and analyze business requirements, ensuring a clear understanding of needs and priorities. 2. Process improvement. Business analysts identify opportunities for enhancing efficiency and streamlining workflows, eliminating bottlenecks. 3. Solution design and documentation. They translate business requirements into tangible specifications and design documents, guiding solution development. 4. Stakeholder management. Building strong relationships with stakeholders, business analysts effectively communicate and manage expectations throughout projects. 5. Testing and validation. Collaborating with testing teams, they ensure that solutions meet the defined requirements and undergo rigorous validation. Are you ready to take your business analysis skills to the next level? Look no further than Sprintzeal. They offer comprehensive training and certification programs to sharpen your expertise and boost your career. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Visit Sprintzeal today to supercharge your business analyst journey. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. Join us as we unravel the world of business analysis and drive success together. Ready to excel as a business analyst? Visit Sprintzeal at www.sprintzeal.com to unlock your full potential today.